Hi, Madhusmita. Thank you so much for coming here. I'm so happy that you joined and you agreed to do this podcast. How
Hi
are you?
Bhavya, I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. So, Madhusmita, firstly, I want to know a little bit about your family background and your educational background.
Okay, basically I'm from the place which is famous for tea, that is Assam.
Mhm.
But currently living in Noida with my spouse. So this is a very brief about my family background. Right now I'm living in Noida only with my spouse. Apart from them, my education background is basically I'm from non-IT background. I have done masters in zoology. After completing my master, I was working as a research scholar in Central Singapore for like 3.5 years. After that, I got married, and after getting married, I switched to data science. I thought of changing my career, and then I switched to data science, and I got help from OdinSchool, as we all know. After that, yeah, that was
So,
basically my
yeah.
career. Yeah.
So, what made you switch your career to data science? You were in a completely different path, like you said. So, what is the reason
Yeah.
behind?
I think the major reason behind this, like I was working as a research scholar, I told you like earlier. So after 3.5 years dedicated to some work, and then I due to some personal reason I have to get married, and I have to shift to a place where my background is zoology. I told you, and I was working with Central Silkboard like CME RTI. It's we are doing my basic research was about with Muga worm, silkworm. So I moved to a place which was not related to this part. Noida doesn't have much of work with the research part in Muga Silcom. I mean, Noida or Delhi. It's basically in South area. So, after shifting there, I look for other opportunities, and under that research is also a reason why I choose why I opt for data science, because while in the research line only, I got a chance to introduce myself to Python basically. And then only I came to know about this field, about data science. So when it's time to switch, when I thought of getting switched to a different platform, so I just thought data science should be good because it's a upcoming trend also, and even it's helping me. I know something behind from my research work also, how it perform, how it works basically. So that's the reason why I chose data science and I changed the career basically.
Okay. So, where are you currently working and what's your role?
Currently, I am placed in Swiggy, and my role is basically MIS executive. Uh, it's like since I'm very new to this role, I have to maintain. I'm in a team. It's like India Next Business and Strategy and Planning team. So my role is basically now to look after the analyst part, basically the MIS part, and preparing reports and giving up to date to the my reporting manager. Since I'm new to this role, so a bit, I'm in a knowledge transfer part only right now I'm working. But yeah, this is some a brief about my work role.
Okay, nice. So, how was your interview process? So, basically, now that you got the job, but how did you prepare for that? How was it too difficult? How many rounds were there? Tell us a little bit about that.
Okay, interview of Swiggy a bit, I would say it's easy, but it would be medium to hard level interview. It is about 4 round of interview. My first round was basically situational based question on or like discussion on the second and third round is completely technical round. That's on the tools they have asked, the questions they have asked from the tools basically is Excel, Advanced Excel, and MySQL. They are mostly focused on those two tools only. And the fourth round was basically discussion round with the manager and how you're going to work and what your previous experience and all. This is what we discussed. Yeah, this is what how the interview take place. Yeah.
So, how's your experience with Odin School? Like, I just want to ask you your overall experience and a little bit about the mock interview sessions as well.
Okay. Basically, I would say I'm very grateful to Odin School because through Odin School only I got the chance to, sit in the interview with Swiggy. So I'm glad that I found Odin School during my career transition path, first of all. Thanks to Odin School and thanks to you guys. Next, the Odin School, I think the curriculum of Odin School is very good. Even though I'm from non-IT background, it doesn't make me feel that I don't know anything. It helps me like every step from zero to till now, till this level. Odin has helped me during all the career transition phase. It helps me to learn from the basic to advanced, I would say. Yeah, you have to work on yourself, that's true, but the curriculum they have said, it will help everyone. Like if a person like me who is don't know anything about the IT part or these tools, they can also learn. The curriculum are easy and understandable, that and the instructors are very good. The way they explain things are also very good. And then you asked me about the mock interview, right? The mock interviews are is something which helped me to speak in front of everyone. Like going into an interview or selecting if your CV got selected, that's a good part. Then another part is to sit in front of the interviewer and to present yourself. And this happen being an introvert. Orange School helps me a lot. You know, those mock interview sessions, those mentorship sessions, and even the doubt clarification session. Every session you need to, sit with the camera open. So that's what big thing, that's I help you to gain confidence to sit in front of the camera at least. Since I have given all those interviews were like online interviews only with my CVG. So sitting in front of the camera and talking is also a skill, which Odin helped me to get the skills by all those mock interviews and even doubt clarification session and also the mentorship session, how to reply, how to take the interview question, how to listen to the interviewer and what the interviewer is saying. You need to listen to it carefully with the questions also, how to deal with the question, what to say at the time. These everything I have learned these things from mock interview sessions only, because before that I was very in a government type of role I was working in. So I was not faced with the this kind of curriculum or this kind of corporate thing. But yeah, Odin was my first option at that time, and Odin helps me a lot. From zero to this level, Odin is the something I will be grateful to every time.
So sweet. So how was your experience with the placement support?
Yeah, I would say the placement, I think placement helps a lot. Those stations, we have mock interview stations for placement services that even uh, everything, the job interviews part, every time whenever I got an opportunity to interview from Odin School, they will call me, they will update with me with like every time they will make sure ki I am done, I have prepared or not. If I have not prepared, they have everyone arranged mock interviews like early, yeah, I have interview like tomorrow. They will arrange a mock interview like day before yesterday or like one day before, so that it helps me to revise the thing or to make me confident or to make me feel good, or how to prepare this those mock interview sessions which were arranged by placement cell is also very helpful. Apart from that, I would say those I am very glad with the placement sales only. I won't be going to tell the particular people name, but yeah, they are very helpful. I used to connect them like every time whenever there is interview, after interview also, before interview also, like yeah, this is my CV, and they are like 24 into 7. They are supporting the students, and that's a big thing, some in most of the cases we don't get reply also. But Odin placement team has like been my supporting me like continuously. I would say every mails I have got reply, every WhatsApp messages they have replied me. They have they have not ignored anything, any doubts that I have got, they have cleared everything.
So sweet.
Until the time of joining, I would say, till the time of joining, Odin placement team has helped me. Like about the documents thing, if I'm confused, they would help me. They would help me to connect to the HR of the Swiggy also, being that connection. It's very helpful, actually.
So the last question is one, if you could give one advice to all the Odin grads, what would it be?
I would say stick to what you want to do. Matlab, stick to your focus with your career. And the next thing is that you have to work hard on yourself also. Uh, you know, uh, Odin will give you an interview. Till interview, it can put you there. But yeah, to clear the interview, you need to work on yourself. You need to practice all those skills. And if you work on yourself, I think everyone can clear those interviews. The only thing I would say, you need to work hard on yourself. Like you do, not only on Odin will be the support system, or the pillar where we can hold and we can stand. But the first thing we have to try for ourselves, I
Yes.
think, and we need to practice a lot. Since all the tools and skills, we need a practice. Practice will make everything correct.
Nothing comes easy in life, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Madhusmita. It was really great talking to you. Thank you for your kind words, and we are
Thank
very
you.
happy that we were able to help you in your journey.
Thank you so much, Bhavya. Thank you for giving me the opportunity also
Thank
to
you.
be in the podcast. Yeah, thank you so much.